During Wilhelm Reich's research into the discovery of the Orgone energy in the 1940s, he came upon a technique to measure the life force in the living things. He documented this apparatus in his book, The Cancer Biopathy, The Discovery of the Orgone, Part 2. On page 147 of this book, he outlines a simple setup, shown here, that he called the Orgone field meter. Heliognosis introduced the LM3 version of Reich's device in 2003, and followed with the LM4 in 2014. Recent discoveries at Heliognosis have facilitated the release of the LM5 version for 2026. The LM5 offers improved detection of life energy while reducing the unwanted effects from non-living test objects. In this video, we will focus on the measurement and comparison of several drinks and juices commonly found in your kitchen. Today we're going to be testing liquids using the LM5, and here pictured are the liquids we're going to use, starting from left to right. Kintra green tea, pure chamomile from Twinings, Tetley orange pico tea, diced tomato juice, Lactantia pure filter 2% milk, Unico balsamic vinegar, Irresistible's pure orange juice, not from concentrate, Consiglio's coffee, and honey from the Caribbean. Today we're going to be measuring different liquid samples, each one in a 10 milliliter flat bottom glass vessel with a cap. We're going to be using the differential method, using the LM5 mode in the small plate position and the grounded position, grounded switch off. So we're going to use the black coffee as our reference, and we're going to set carefully the 0. And then we're going to put our first sample, which is green tea. Yeah, so green tea is 0. It's at the same level as coffee. So we're going to put the coffee back. Carefully adjust the 0. Make sure it's very close to 0. And then we're going to put the green tea. And the green tea is pretty much 0. Alright, so the coffee's back in place. We make sure the 0 is pretty close. And then we put the next sample, which is orange pico tea. Now orange pico tea gives a higher reading, around 40, 30 to 40 in that region. Take off the orange pico, put the coffee back, make sure it's still in the same position. That's good. Our next sample is tomato, so we remove the coffee and put the tomato in its place. And tomato is very similar to orange pico. It's in the 20-22 range. Put the coffee back. Make sure it's close to 0. Very good. Our next sample will be balsamic vinegar, and this one here, put in place of the coffee, and we get a reading of about 50-55, somewhere in that region. Coffee's going back to 0. Now next we're going to test milk. So take off the coffee, put the milk. We say the milk is about 40, 45. Put back the coffee. Coffee goes back to 0. Now we're doing orange juice. So take off the coffee, put on the orange juice. Orange juice a little higher, it's about 60, 55 to 60. Now we're going to test chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has a fairly high reading. It's around 55 to 60 approximately. It's back to 0. Finally, we're going to test honey. So we take the coffee off, put the honey. We see the honey goes over 100%, so the honey has a very high energy. So we're going to change ranges and get a proper reading. Now we're on times 10 range, and so 100 times less sensitive. And we're going to test the honey again. We've zeroed the meter using the coffee sample, and now we're going to put the honey again. And the honey is reading 10, so it's about 200 times more energetic than any of the other water-based samples. The graph presented here illustrates the relative life energy of the liquids tested today. Coffee and green tea both had the lowest energy and were used as the starting point for this study. Tomato juice, orange pekoe tea, and milk outperformed the coffee, while balsamic vinegar and good quality orange juice rose to the top. Chamomile tea was our winner with the very highest life energy of the items we tested today. The Heliognosis LM5 is opening new possibilities to evaluate the living energy wherever we may find it. Stay tuned for more test videos in the coming weeks.